Hello learners, I am Dr. Jay Singh, Associate Professor, Department of English Literature, the English and Foreign Languages University, Hyderabad. I am before you to introduce Introduction to Indian Literature in English, Colonialism to Postcolonialism. This course is meant for graduation students. This course is very significant for students because Indian literature in English has emerged as a very big category at the national and the international levels. This course will discuss all the major writers, their plays, novels, poems belonging to the period from colonialism to post-colonialism. This course will provide you with a comprehensive idea of Indian literature in English and will also help you clear competitive exams because 20 to 30% questions come from this section. Therefore, this course will be very useful for the students. Keeping in mind all these benefits, I wish maximum number of students should join this course. Thank you, learners.